Hello guys, today we're going to talk about adjectives and articles. So let's get started. An adjective, which you probably already know, describes a noun. So if you look at your definition here, it says an adjective is a word that that can describe a person, place, or thing. Adjectives tell more about nouns. A, an, and the are special adjectives called articles. So, let's talk about adjectives. Words like cozy, calm, blue, those are all words that describe nouns. The cozy home, the calm boy, the blue pillow. A, an, and the are special adjective called articles. So when I have a and an, I use those when I am talking about non-specific items. So I might tell my husband, grab me a Coke. So then he would just grab me any of the cans of Coke and he would give it to me because I did not specify it. Or I might say, grab me an electric toothbrush at the store. We might be looking at electric toothbrushes, and I might tell him to grab me an electric toothbrush. So he would just grab me any of them and we'd be on our way. However, when I use this is specific. So I might say, grab me the blue toothbrush. And then he would grab me the blue one. I guess that's a little different because I added blue in there, so he knows to grab me the blue one. But typically when you're talking to someone, you might say, grab me the pencil. And there probably is only one pencil on the desk. Alright, so another thing we need to talk about, when I use a, that means there's a consonant. My noun starts with a consonant. So that could be like boy, girl, stick. And when I use an, that means my noun starts with a vowel. So that is A, E, I, O, and U. So it could be animal, elephant, ice, octopus, and umbrella. Alright, so let's move on to this activity. Write the adjective that describes each underlined noun. So, I'm going to look at the noun here, cloth, and I have to look at which word it's describing cloth. So, I like to ask, what kind of cloth? A vivid cloth. So, for number 1, you're going to write or type vivid. And that is what you're doing for 1 through 4. On the next part, it says, write the article that correctly completes the sentence. So, in Hawaii, a muumuu is an long dress. To figure out if I'm using a or an, I'm going to look at the word next to it. a long. So long starts with a consonant. So I use a. So that is what you're going to write in the blank there. Next, in part B, it says find all the adjectives within the sentence. Highlight them or circle them. So remember, you are looking for things that describe, or you are looking for a, an, and the. So I'm going to grab my highlighter. And when I look in this first sentence, the first thing I see is the. The Nintendo Switch has what kind of controllers? Blue and green controllers. So that is it for the first part. The next page, we're going to get a little more specific when we talk about what our adjectives are telling us. So, if you look at the directions, we're going to look at adjectives that tell us what kind, how many, or which one. So what kind, that was like what I mentioned before. The cozy home. What kind of home? A cozy home. How many? So the John Enna had 4 masks. How many masks? 4 masks. In which one? Classes are held in this room. Which room or which one? This room. All right. And then you can have proper adjectives, just like your proper nouns. And that just means that they need to be capitalized. Like when you say American or Greek or Chinese. Just like you would capitalize America, Greece, and China, you would capitalize American, Greek, and Chinese. Alright, so let's look at this activity. You're doing the same thing in it. There are 10 questions. It says, decide what kind of question each underlined adjective answers. So you're either writing what kind, how many, or which one. So the family lived on a big ship. I'm going to go through, and is it telling me what kind of ship, how many ship, or which ship? It's telling me what kind of ship. It's describing how big the ship is. So I'm going to write what kind. Alright, so that is all you are doing on this activity. If you have questions, go ahead and reach out, and I will answer those for you. Alright guys, have a great day. Bye.